Today I'd like to experiment with randomly altering textual image representations. If you've done some web development in your career, you've probably come across a thing called data URLs. As the MDN guide states, these are primarily used for inlining small files in documents, the typical use case being small icons in CSS files, for example. Basically, such a data URL looks like this. Instead of the usual HTTP or HTTPS schemes, they are prefixed by data : followed by the media type, such as image/PNG for example, and whether it is base64 encoded. Here are some simple examples. To proceed with a simple image, I've taken this illustration of a planet from the Noun project. Okay, in this CodePen, I've already prepared the base64 encoded data string of this image. We're going to start this example by setting the p5 setup and draw functions. I'm deliberately setting a very low frame rate here, so you can easily observe what's happening. Using loadImage, let's load the image into a variable. By try and error, I've isolated the parts of the string that do not change, that appear to be the header and footer of the PNG stream. First, we're going to simply draw this image 48 by 48 pixels wide. In the draw function, we paint the background black and do the same. To perform the data moshing, we need a reference to the validChars in a base64 encoded string, which I paste in here. And it seems I have forgotten the 0 here. Now let's find a random position in our image string by capping the random function at its length. Using slice, we're going to split it into a head and tail portion. In the head part, we slice everything up to the random position, then interleave one character and start again at random position +1. Fetch a random char from the validChars string using the same method as above. After that, we construct a new image string using our head and tail enclosing our random character. Need to put a $sign here as well. The result is a succession of glitched versions of the illustration. Obviously, exchanging a character often renders the rest of the image invalid, which is why we get large black portions in the result.